Howdy folks, this is the Freebie Kids Texas channel. Today I'm going to show you a mini construction set. Let's open it up. I'm going to be a real Wayne, so. Ah! No instructions. How did that happen? I got a bulldozer, excavator. Let's take that out. And I got a front loader, a dump truck, and an instruction sign. Look at my bulldozer. And I got some instruction signs.
Where's the bulldozer? Where's the excavator? Where's the front loader? Where's that dump truck? Where are those construction signs? Good job.
I can't wait to work my way to these new toys. Hey, cat folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Playtime! Ooh, these are cool. This is fun, Mommy. Safety folks for our cruise.